because if I could cover all those other things, then the money, just comes because I'm doing the right thing for people. I'm putting people in the right situations. I'm making sure that, I check in. Here's another thing, right? I don't know, you didn't mention this about a lot of insurance agents out there and life. Take this tip, man, write it down and put it in big, bold letters. Check in with their clients at much as possible, at least annually, right? Because things can change, and shame on you if you didn't check in with them and then, someone passes away or something happens where, policy lapses. I don't know, who knows, right? Like anything can happen. And especially if you're dealing with the IUL, this is the thing, and this is one of the reasons why the IUL gets a bad rep, is because people don't check in with them annually, because they can be in an index getting no interest, right? So if you check in with them annually, you can be like, oh, by the way, let's go ahead and move it to this index, or let's move it to the fixed account so you can make sure you get some interest on it, right? You definitely want to make sure you hold their hand at the end of the day, or at least help them as much as possible. But once you get to my level of having as many clients as I do, I'll help you if you guys need help, but for the most part, I'm going to be working on my business, not as much in my business as far as like meeting with clients face to face. But yeah, hopefully that answered your question.
Awesome. Thank you. So I guess last question, and then I guess we can close out. What advice would you give to someone else looking to start that business?
What advice would I give? Okay. I mean, there's a lot of advice I would give.